Hola bafethu ngiphinde nginibingelele kusayi home run sikwinkabi nation emkhulu album launch angithi angithola yaphi kuzulu ngiphethe uFifi Cooper my sister right
Grand winner.
ku right kakhulu sisiwami
Easy, just easy.
it's been a while ngicina la inkundla zokuxhumana
Aha. Skipani, but Nkona, I just dropped an album last year called Chapters Album. And Petu, Big Zulu, Masevene, Touring, Zakwe. Almost the entire Nkabi nation because we're a family, you know. Even when Zulu started, you know, his journey, he came through to me and we spoke about it. So today I'm glad to be out here and witness, you know, what he has always wanted to do. So I'm very grateful that I also got the invitation to be here, to be here and witness the truth. Yeah.
I'm also grateful too to see you
Issue.
to meet you
Issue.
for the first time in my life.
Unama.
And for sure it won't end here. We will go far together.
Definitely.
For sure, next time I will see you.
No, you will.
And we have to work on something new. Maybe a music video, I don't know. Maybe something free of charge.
I'm still out here. More music dropping. You know, the people support us and they love us because of the beautiful work that we put out. So definitely more music coming out soon.
Are you independent, right?
Yeah, Mo Cooper Records. You're standing with the CEO of Mo Cooper Records right here. So Sesebenza, the work must go on.
That's assigned under your label.
I do have a lot of artists that I work with, even though some of them they're not signed as yet. But Siapusha, Senzama Gigi, I have a one night with Fifi Cooper tour. We're doing 7 provinces, so Siasebenza.
Oh, that was started in which month?
It started around April.
This year?
Yeah. It's gonna end of September.
Oh, can you please walk out? Please, man, we will come.
Make sure that you follow the baddest pages, the baddest rapper in the industry, Fifi Cooper, in the Instagram, KE_ Fifi Cooper San, Twitter @Fifi Cooper Fans, Facebook, Fifi Cooper San. You will get the latest. Abash.
Oh, yes. Sibonga kakhulu ihome run noma ke baphembi umjida wakhona kaMgwagwa ePietermaritzburg eMgungundlovu uzohamba afike kaMgwagwa uFifi Cooper.
One time. You already know. Salute.